Samsung is offering amazing deals on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The 256GB model is on sale at the official website for $999, a whopping $300 off the launch price. But that's not all. You can get the 512GB edition, plenty of storage for most users, at the same price of $999, saving you $420 from the original price. Combine this with Samsung's offer programs like the education program, and you could save another $100, bringing the effective price to $899.99 without any trade-ins or data pack bundles. S24 Ultra versus S25 Ultra. The big question is whether to wait for the Galaxy S25 Ultra or grab the Galaxy S24 Ultra now. The S25 Ultra might come with a higher price tag due to increased manufacturing costs, possibly costing $100 to $110 more than the S24 Ultra, making the cheapest variant over $1,400. Display and design. The S24 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2600 nits. Covered with Corning's Gorilla Armor glass, it offers top-notch protection and minimizes reflections for a better viewing experience. Recent speculations suggest the S25 Ultra will use the same N113 OLED panels, so the refresh rate, brightness, and resolution will likely remain the same. The only difference might be a slightly larger 6.9-inch screen. Performance and chipset. The S24 Ultra runs on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, an octa-core chipset built on TSMC's 4nm production process. It ranks 6th on the Nano Review's most powerful smartphone CPU list, handling everything from gaming to photo and video editing with ease. While the S25 Ultra might have the newer Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is still top-notch. Plus, Samsung offers 7 years of software and security support, ensuring the S24 Ultra stays up-to-date. Camera features. The S24 Ultra boasts a versatile camera setup with 4 rear-facing sensors, allowing for various focal length zoom settings from 0.5x to 100x. Whether recording portraits, super-zoomed images, or 8K video at 30 fps, the S24 Ultra excels. The S25 Ultra is rumored to have a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera using 4 to 1 pixel binning technology, but overall, the camera setup remains mostly unchanged. Battery and charging. The S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy usage. Although its charging speed isn't the fastest, it's not excessively slow either. It supports 4.5W reverse wireless charging, providing extra convenience. Unique features. One standout feature of the S24 Ultra is the S Pen. This smart stylus is perfect for taking notes, creating shopping lists, and even acting as a remote shutter for photos. It also supports the new Sketch-to-Image feature.